Using the Amazon Relay app for drivers is very easy to do. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. First of all, download the Amazon Relay app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Now open the app and sign in using your Amazon account credentials. And find and book loads. Search for loads. Browse available loads based on location, date, time, trailer type, and other preferences. Then view load details. Check details like pickup and delivery locations, cargo type, payment, and estimated time of arrival. Select a load that suits you and tap Book Load to accept it. Then view upcoming loads. See your scheduled loads in the app's calendar. Now check load status. Track the status of your loads, including pickup and delivery times. After that, receive notifications, get alerts for new loads, load updates, and important messages. And navigate to pickup and delivery locations. Built-in navigation. Use the app's integrated navigation feature to get directions to pickup and delivery locations. The app considers truck-specific restrictions like bridge heights and weight limits when suggesting routes. Get updates on traffic conditions to adjust your ETA if necessary. Then check in and out at facilities. Scan QR codes. Use the app's QR code scanner to check in and out at Amazon facilities, streamlining the process. Now view facility information. See important details about each facility, such as gate hours, parking instructions, and contact information. And track earnings and hours. View earnings. Monitor your earnings for each load and your overall income. Keep track of your driving hours to ensure compliance with regulations.